The longest-running spacecraft to orbit Mars has made a new discovery. Reporter Lauren Klenda went down to the research lab to see what this will mean for the future of space studies.
We have ignition and liftoff of a Delta II rocket carrying NASA on an odyssey back to Mars.
The Mars Odyssey spacecraft launch in 2001 had a special piece of cargo on board, a camera known as THEMIS, or as NASA calls it, a thermal emission imaging system, a device that orbits Mars and uses infrared imaging to study the surface.
Mars really provides these clues into a time period of planetary evolution that we just don't have record of on Earth.
The camera was designed at the Mars Spaceflight Facility at Arizona State University. THEMIS has sent over 500,000 images of the surface back to Earth, which are crucial in landing devices on the planet.
The type of information we provide about how rocky the surface is, how clean it is, that sort of helps any mission, whether it's rolling around or landing in one place.
After years of image tracking at the space facility at ASU, THEMIS has helped find a landing location for a new mission known as InSight. InSight is a lander set to launch in September of 2016 that will drill beneath the surface of Mars.
The purpose of this mission is to be sort of a first reconnaissance, trying to figure out what's going on down there so we can possibly send follow-up missions.
If the mission is successful, the InSight lander could mean big things for Mars research.
These measurements will help us understand the interior of Mars and how planets form and how they change over time in a way that we've never done before.
THEMIS is already on a new mission and looking for a place for a rover to land in the year 2020. In Tempe, Lauren Klenda, Cronkite News.
Scientists hope to continue to use THEMIS for years to come and say it has enough fuel for several years of further research.